Hello guys, how are you all? So I am here again with the new vacancy which is coming from the central government. So this is a government job and this is the for the role of graduate engineers. Okay, G, and which is coming from the BIS, Bureau of Indian Standard. So this is a very good opportunity for the freshers because in there you can apply and there is no any fees because this is a government job, PSU job, and in every PSU there is a minimum fees around 1,000 rupees or 1,100 rupees, but here is no any fees, so you can directly apply and get selection. There is no also gate score is not compulsory, so all are eligible and all the branches are eligible. So let's us discuss in a detail. And one more thing which I want to tell you that this is a contract basis job for 2 year. Okay, not for permanent job. So you can apply here for to get the experience and get the opportunity because this is a very good opportunity. There are number 100 posts total there are, be in which all the disciplines are combined in these 100 posts. Okay, so let us discuss in detail. Okay, so this is coming from BIS, Bureau of Indian Standard. Okay, and this is for the post of GE, which means graduate engineers. Okay, so this is number of vacancies which is 100 and this is contract basis job for 2 year. Okay, and the requirement qualification is master's degree in relevant discipline or BE Tech in these branches. But in these branches there are all the branches are combined, like you can see there in EFC, food technology, agricultural, okay, bio, micro, and in EE also electrical instrumentation, electronic, computer engineering, and computer science, information technology, physics. In MCM, civil, chemical, mechanical, sorry, chemical is not there, but civil, architecture, transportation, mechanical, production, industrial, automobile, metallurgical, and mining. Okay, so these major branches are there, so you can apply here. And let's go for the next. What will be the job description? So this is the job description, like food testing and everything will be here. Okay, so you can read this job description. And the age limit is maximum 35 year. Okay, and there is not mention the age limit according to the age relaxation for the reserve candidate. So I think they did not give any relaxation. And the job location will be anywhere in the India. Okay, and the selection process, main is the selection process, that you need to upload your document in their filling form which you will get in BIS official application, official website. Then they shortlist the candidate on the basis of their application marks and CGPA in the college, in their college. Okay, then after they conduct their practical application, you can see their practical assessment, then written assessment, technical assessment, all will be on the basis of your CBT test. Okay, which you can give from your home, they will not conduct from the other any places. Okay, then interview, then you got to selected. And the salary, okay, time period is also mentioned 2 year, which I already told you. Okay, and the requirement, main thing, which is salary, for which you are commented in my every video that what is the package. So package is 50,000 for per month. Okay, you will get 50,000 per month, and this is the job of graduate any. But the main thing is that this is for two year. Okay, there is no any allowances like travel allowance and DA allowance. Okay, they already told that. Okay, so this is the main. And working hour is also there, that from 9 to 5:30 this is your working hour if you join. And no assignment. This is the complete detailed description. Okay, I will also upload this document in description below the video, so you can also go and check. And the main thing I already discussed, and that these are the documents which we applied. The main things which they required, I already discussed all the things. And the other terms condition you can read that. Okay, and this is the official website of BIS where you can go and apply for the application. Okay, there is no application fees. Okay, I already told you. So this is a very good opportunity that you don't have to pay thousand or more than ₹1,000 for this type of government job. So this is a proper video on the BIS, and BIS reserve all the candidates that they can reject you on any phase of interview or any phase of recruitment. Okay, so this is a complete video, and next video is on the graduate engineer training, which is also coming from a PSU, and there is also no any fees and this type of criteria great all. So you can also apply there. The next video will come and I will explain all the things. Okay, the apprentice training requirement is also released today also. Okay, so I will upload in next time. Okay, in next videos you can subscribe for the next and this type of graduate engineer training or graduate engineer apprentice update. Diploma members can also apply for the DET and DEA. Okay, so this is final video. Thank you, signing off.